How to fix photos getting blurry on WhatsApp status. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix photos getting blurry on WhatsApp status. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty and simple, so let's go. To do that, let's head over to our WhatsApp, and then from in there, let's head over to our updates. So click on this right here, and then let's click on our status, and you can actually add a picture that you want to put in here. So let's put a picture. Let's put this one right here, and then as you can see, it will be uploaded to our status. So when you upload it, it will send an upload on us. So when you click on this, as you can see, the photos will get blurry. This is because uploading a photo on WhatsApp will actually deteriorate the quality of your photo. So this is actually unavoidable, and we can just wait for WhatsApp to fix that error. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix photos getting blurry on WhatsApp status. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks!